Let's fill out the Nevada Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500. And how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. So, to recap, both parties sign, notarization is required, check on any liens, disclose the odometer if the vehicle is within 10 years old, and sellers keep your plates. In Nevada, you must also file this with the official VP 104. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.